Hi everybody, my name is Mirko Nosari. I'm the sales manager of Rejves machinery. We're a company from Italy. I'm here to introduce you our latest product. This is a linear filling and rotary capping monobloc. This solution provides us great advantages over the competition, and these allow us a great flexibility. The flexibility to run multiple formats with very quick changeovers, and the flexibility is also completed by the fact that this machine is completely and totally servo assisted. So brushless motors are managing the whole process of this machine. This allows us to call such machine future-proof. As a great proof of the flexibility of the machine, we have here 4 of the formats that this machine is capable of. Not only it can cap dispenser pumps, caps, but also trigger pumps, but also screw caps or press-on caps. This machine is capable of capping any sort of closure. This monobloc is also special in its own way because it's capable of handling flammable products such as hand sanitizers. And we do that through making the machine intrinsically safe through different means of control which watch over each other in case, which is remote, that one of them may fail. So we have dual operations, dual controls and checks. For example, we do have this extraction duct, this extraction pipe that is going to extract any unwanted flammable vapor inside the machine and keep a fresh flow of air inside the machine, but also the mass dosers are in ATEX configuration. Every and each system has its own control and have its own safety. The machine is provided with a buffer tank that we can see up there. This buffer tank is pressurized or depressurized. This feature allows us to work with dense products such as this hand soap or this hand cream, thick hand cream I would say. As I introduced before, this machine is a monobloc with linear filling and rotary capping. This is the linear filling section, and the linear filling is, in this particular machine, is done by a walk-in bin system, which means that the nozzles follow the bottles during the filling, and also we have a vertical motion so that we fill the bottles within the bottles. This system gives us great advantages. First of all, there's no start and stop of the bottles, so that the product itself never gets shaken, but the bottles flow in and out in a seamless operation. The second advantage is the speed. Because of the fact we never stop the bottles, we can continuously fill and go back to fill another batch of bottles without any stopping, and so in a faster fashion. Also, we can, as I said, we fill within the bottle, which is very important in case we have foamy products, so that the filling is always provided beneath the surface point of the liquid. But if we have to work with very thick and dense products like I showed you before, we can stay above the bottle neck and fill outside of the bottle. So this, provided the fact that the system is managed by brushless motors, allow us to design a particular motion, a particular cam that can be changed over time depending on your necessities in terms of bottle height or bottle dimension. Another feature, great feature of this machine is the in-feed block. The in-feed block allows us to keep the process of production seamless all the time. because if there is any issue with one of the nozzle, for example, or one of the capping heads that are not working properly, we can just disable it. And then the infeed block will say, okay, the fourth nozzle is disabled. Okay, let's send 3 bottles, jump the fourth, and feed the fifth and the sixth. The same is for the capping head. Our main target with this machine is to put you in the condition to seamlessly produce, even though there are any problems during the production. Keep working, keep producing, and then when you have time, take care of the maintenance, or just give us a call and we'll send a technician ASAP. As you know, our machinery bottle change parts are provided with quick change. The quick change allows us a quick, fast operation, but also, and more importantly, no use of any tools whatsoever. Here we are at the capping section of this monobloc, passing through the servo of this infeed scroll. This capping section, this capping turret, is completely controlled by brushless motors, which means that this capping turret is capable to cap any sort of cap you can throw at it. In fact, both the torque is assigned by a servo, but also the movement, up and down movement of the capping head is designed by virtual cam, as we call it. Therefore, we can design any sort of cam, any sort of movement. This feature is great for to work with trigger pumps, because the very long deep tube is the most problematic thing in capping trigger pumps. With this servo managed capping head, we can just manage any sort of length of deep tube. Also, another important feature when you're capping trigger pumps is the alignment of the trigger pump with the bottle itself. And we can control it completely so that each and every bottle will have its trigger pump perfectly aligned with the bottle. In this position, I can show you a couple of great features of this capping turret. First of all, we have the fingers that serve to stretch the deep tube of a trigger pump or a dispenser pump. These are mechanically driven, which means that they will never wear out. They will last as much as the machine itself. The second feature is the quick change on the chucks. Very easy. Everyone can do it, even untrained operators. The changeover will be smooth as every time, over and over again. To fit the caps into this capping turret, we have this cap chute, which is completely adjustable and hair driven. We can fit the caps both in a manual mode, as you can see, or through an automatic fitting system. The height is completely automatic as well, and the height itself is defined by the height of the bottle, so that during the changeover, both the turret and the cap chute have the same height and are fully synchronized. So, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video of this wonderful machine. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website www.rejves.com. If you would like to have any information on this monobloc or any of our machinery for the packaging industry, write us at info@rejves.com. Also visit our LinkedIn page. You will find it easily. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.